Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class guys, and this is your Prodigy series for CBSE 9 and this is a maths one shot video, right? As all of you are very aware, we are doing the topic linear equations in two variables. We have talked about plotting this graph of this linear equation in two variables. We have talked about its general form, we have talked about its solutions, how do you find out the solution, how many solutions are there, everything about this topic we have discussed. So what we are going to do in today's class, so in today's class guys, we will be discussing about the revision of this whole session. We'll be revising this whole session and then we'll take some questions as well. All right, okay. So we are going to revise this whole session at once. What advice I have for all my dear students, ki guys, when you see a question, when I start solving a question, pause that video, solve that question on your own and see whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, so in that way you can be sure that yes, your revision is perfect. All right, you are very good in this chapter. Okay, bachcho. So we'll be starting with linear equation in two variable, and those who don't know me guys, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I'm your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, and I have been teaching from past 5 years, done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad, and you can see the other credentials over on your screen. Okay, alright guys, so let us start with linear equation in two variable. So first thing, if I talk about the standard form and example, so here I have told you guys very well that standard form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where both a and b should not be equal to 0, है ना? So I have given you one condition mathematically that a square plus b square should not be equal to 0, right? That means together both a and b should not be equal to 0. One at a time possible, no issue with that. Then we have learned about solution of linear equation in two variables. So we have learned that a linear equation in two variable has infinite solutions, and those solutions are written in an ordered pair, which is x comma y, and these, if I take them as the coordinates, I can plot them on the graph as well. And on graph, the graph of a linear equation in two variable is a straight line, right? ठीक है बच्चों, this is what we know till now. Now I gave you a homework question in the previous class. Let's see what this question says. The question says simple thing. Ravish tells his daughter Arushi, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. If the present ages of Arushi and Ravish are x and y years respectively, represent this situation algebraically as well as graphically. ठीक है, तो बेटा देखो, let's say we have two characters Ravish and Arushi. ठीक है, so Arushi and here we have Ravish. All right, we have the present ages as x years and y years. Let's talk about their past ages, and that to 7 years. 7 years past. So 7 years ago Arushi's age will be 7 years less, which is x minus 7, and Ravish's also will be 7 years less, which is y minus 7. Then there is also 3 years later in the future as well. So in future, how much in future? 3 years. So after 3 years, age of Arushi will increase by 3 years, x plus 3, and age of Ravish will increase by 3 years, y plus 3. ठीक है? Now for the first statement, we will use our first equation, past value, because it is talking about the past. I was 7 years ago, so we are talking about the past. I was 7 times as old as you were. So who is I here? Ravish. So age of Ravish is 7 times of the age of Arushi. So age of Ravish is what? Y minus 7. This age was 7 times of the age of Arushi. So you'll get y minus 7 is equal to 7x minus 49. Shift y over there, minus 49 over there. So you'll be getting minus 49 will become plus 49. So you'll be getting 7x minus y is equal to 49 plus 7 is equal to 42. First equation. This is our first equation. Then what will be the second equation? So for second equation guys, we are talking about 3 years in future. So in future, what it's saying, I means Ravish shall be 3 times as old as Arushi. So the age of Ravish 3 years later will be y plus 3 is equal to 3 times of x plus 3. So you are getting y plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 9. Shift y over there, minus 9 over there, you will get 3x minus y shifted over here, and 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 6. This is our second equation. Alright, so these are the two equations. This is what representing the situation algebraically. Now if I have to find out this, or if I have to represent this situation graphically, I will find out the solutions for both these equations and plot them on the graph. So this is how graphically it is going to look like. So main thing is getting the equations. Main thing is getting the equations. Okay? Now guys, when I am recording this session, till the time, actually it's very early, so I have not got any comments from the homework question. So I don't have any homework starts, but I know after some time obviously you'll start giving me the answers. So round of applause for all those who are giving me the correct answer. Alright, but since the schedule is like that, I'm recording pretty early. That is why I don't have any homework starts right now. I cannot see any comments. Alright, so guys, let's talk about linear equations. Let's revise it quickly. So we know linear equation means degree 1. And one variable we have discussed where root, there is only exactly one root available, and in two variables ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and b both should not be equal to 0, and in this case we get infinite solutions. I have told you how do you find out the solution of a linear equation in two variable. We start with any one equation, any equation you have, you start with any one variable. You can choose variable x also or variable y also, whatever variable you like the most, choose that. Okay, then put any value for it, 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2, anything. All right, put that value in the equation and get the answer for the next variable. So this is how you can find out. You can assume infinite values, so there will be infinite solution, and the best thing about it is that all those infinite solutions are present in a straight line. How amazing it is. So each and every point present on the graph of an equation is a solution of the equation. So the graph of a linear equation in two variable is a straight line, and each and every point present on that line will be a solution of this equation. One more thing, that if a point is outside this line, it will not be a solution of the given equation. Okay? Then we have also talked about the equation of lines which are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. So if a line is parallel to x-axis, on this line, y coordinate is same everywhere. Let's say this point over here, whatever this point is, suppose 0 comma b. So equation of this line will be y equal to b. So if it is parallel to x-axis, y is equal to constant, and if it is parallel to y-axis, on this line everywhere x coordinate will be same, which is, let's say over here, a comma 0. So equation of this line will be x equal to a. Okay. Also from here you can say that means, sir, equation of x-axis, new thing I am telling you, equation of x-axis, if I'll ask you what it is. So देखो, I know a line parallel to x-axis, so it will be y is equal to, from where it is passing 0, y equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, and equation of y-axis will be x equal to 0, because on y-axis x coordinate is always 0 and on x-axis y coordinate is always 0. Okay? Alright guys, so this is the whole topic, everything about that small topic, very small topic, but very important, because in grade 10th again we will be discussing this topic. We'll be talking actually not one but two equations at the same time. So in grade 10th we'll talk about pair, very amazing topic, very amazing. And in grade 11th when you'll go for system of linear equations. So there are more than two, many are together. So how do you tackle with those? So it's a very good concept. All right, so please focus carefully. All right, and see, you might be thinking, sir, thank you for telling us ki, this topic is important. I do tell them ki, suppose when I was teaching the number systems, I told you ki, this representation of number on the number line, it's just for now. Okay, in higher grades no one is going to ask you that, so okay, just rectify it, it's all right. But when you come to rationalization, When we come to polynomials, I told you beta it is very important. So it is very important to identify which chapters will be important for the upcoming grades, where you need to focus more. All right, which is like okay, if you will remember it, then only also it is fine. Where your deep understanding is required. All right, understanding the concept in a different way. All these things you don't get when you studying on your own. Self study doesn't give you all these things, because at this tender age you need to have a better guidance, a good guidance in your life, especially about your studies. And let me tell you guys very frankly, the best source for your guidance during this journey is your will be your Vedantu, because it gives you Vedantu improvement promise, and this promise is nothing but the promise of your guaranteed improvement. So you heard me right, we give you the guarantee of your improvement. We are saying you join our courses beta, you join our courses, and once you have joined our courses, take minimum 75% of the classes, attend minimum 75% of the classes, and attempt 75% of the test, minimum. All right, you can do 100%, will be more happy. Minimum do this much, and we guarantee your improvement. And if you do not improve, take your whole course fee back. That is what our promise is. Take your whole course fee back if you do not see any improvement. All right, so that's like one of a kind of guarantee. No one else gives you the guarantee like this. And with this, we are showing you our confidence, and we are showing you that beta, don't worry, you are not alone in this journey. We are with you throughout this journey. All right, guys. So what are the features you get with this in this Vedantus Pro subscription? So first thing, you get unlimited live classes. You can attend as many live classes as you want, and all classes will be filled with fun and high level quizzes. Then you'll be able to interact with the students from different parts of the world. You can talk to them, you can see where do you actually stand, how much hard work is more required from your side. Then interactive replay, that means even while watching the recording, you can attend the quiz, you will get the marks for it, and you can see your name in the leaderboard. So that's an amazing way. And with this, you will not even feel that you are watching a recording. And if a test is coming, with the help of these recordings, interactive replays, you can attend the quiz, and you can also see how much you have understood the topic. So it's an amazing say feature. Also, you will get notes, assignments, quality test, everything at one place. No need to go to thousand places, everything at one place. And also in class doubt solving. That means in the class, other than the master teacher, there will be present 2 or 3 extra class teachers who will be taking care of your doubts. Okay. So the idea behind the class teachers, see, we don't want you to be master teacher when they are teaching. The flow gets disturbed, or at the end will take the doubt, because if a doubt is if a doubt comes in the student's mind at suppose first 10 minutes, now that doubt will be in the student's mind throughout the class. That the student will keep thinking about that doubt only, and he might not focus that well on the session, right? That happens to us. If we get a doubt and teacher will say, okay, I'll talk about it at the end, we still keep thinking about that doubt only. So for that reason, guys, we have class teachers who will be in contact with you throughout the class. Whenever you got doubt, at that moment only ask the doubt in the doubts panel, and they'll be taking care of your doubts. So your doubts will be resolved 100%. You will not go with a single doubt in your head. All right, then micro courses and crash courses, which are a very good way of say studying according to your choice. This gives you the freedom to choose any topic to study whatever you want. You want to study trigonometry, take the micro course of trigonometry, finish that. Upcoming a test is coming for quadratic equation, take the micro course, finish that. All right, so that's what you are getting with this unlimited micro courses. So guys, remember, less is more. These many features are coming to you at a very reasonable rate. The link is mentioned in the description box for registration, as well as it is also mentioned in the pinned comment section. And don't forget, guys, in that if you'll apply this coupon code GPE Pro, the best thing, it will give you 10% off. So it will save your money, and that will be the minimum price at which you will be getting these courses. Okay, so let me show you guys very quickly that how you can register for Vedantus Pro subscription. Suppose if you come to this video, now here in the pinned comment section, you can see subscribe to Vedantu Pro now, or in the description box, Here also you can see register for Vedantu Pro subscription. Just click on this link, guys. Once you have clicked on this link, here you can click on change to change your grade or to change your board. Alright, okay, then click on get started. Once we are done with this, guys, we have 3 courses over here: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Now Pro Lite is like a it is the most basic course, and it gives you live classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during class. So all the features which I have told you till now, all features will be available. Now what kind of students should choose which course? All right, so let me tell you in detail. Pro Lite is for those students who are already motivated about their studies, who are who get good marks, but they need teachers who can give them the conceptual clarity, you know, who will make them understand, make them the questions understand in a easier way and in depth. All right, and then they can take care of the questions. They are very good at solving questions. They are already motivated. So for them, Pro Lite is the best course. Then comes Pro Classic. Pro Classic is for those students, guys, who are motivated about their studies, who try also solving questions, who understand also in the class. But when after the class, when they start solving the questions, they sometimes get doubts, and those doubts start becoming, say, problem for them. When they don't get answers, when the doubts increases, they start losing their confidence, you know, and they start hating the subject. So for those students who are good in the classes, but they think that when I start taking the questions on my own, I get lots of doubts. So for them, Pro Classic is a very good course, because other than all the features of Pro Lite, you get one extra feature, that is doubt solving on mobile app. So all your doubts will be resolved on the mobile app. Whatever doubt you have got, just click the photo, post it on the doubts app, and you will get the solution as well as explanation for that. Then comes Pro Plus. Now Pro Plus is the course for those students who, say, are really not that motivated, maybe because in the previous grades they didn't get good marks, and they need some motivation, they need a strong support system for them to prepare throughout this journey. So for them, Pro Plus is a very good feature beta, because it comes all with all the features of Pro Classic, plus one more extra feature, which is a rigid support system, which is personal mentor. So personal mentor will make the things very comfortable for you. Any kind of query it is, academic, non-academic, they'll be always the first person to help you. They'll be your teacher, they'll be your guide, they'll be your motivator, coach, supporter, any role. They'll always be there to take care of you. They'll always make sure that yes, you are going along the correct path. They'll see how much you are doing the improvement, where you are facing the issue, and they'll take care of those issues. They'll also conduct special doubts classes for you as well. Alright, so these are the features which you get with Pro Plus, a very huge support if you are not feeling motivated enough. So these are the 3 courses. Obviously you are free to choose any course, but this was my recommendations. Alright, the prices of all 3 you can see. Now one thing I would like to make it over here clear, very clear, that the classes are exactly same. There is no difference in the classes. Classes are same for all the students. The difference is in the after class experience, post class, how much you are engaged, how much support you need. All right, so these are the prices shown over here, guys. You can try any of these courses. If you want to start with the trial, you can try it for 1 month. Once you're satisfied, you can buy a complete course, and when you buy a complete course, guys, that time you get Vedantu's improvement promise, that is guaranteed improvement. All right, now when you're buying the complete course, suppose you say ki sir, this price paying altogether is difficult. Don't worry, guys, you can use EMI options also, so you can pay that in EMIs as well. Important thing is, don't forget that here GPE Pro is applied, otherwise your 10% you will not be able to save, and obviously you should save money. If you have more money, then you can transfer that money directly to me. ठीक है, I don't have any issue with that. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. अच्छा, any other doubt you have, guys, you can ask that in frequently asked questions. All right, over here. ठीक है, चलो अब let me show you the features. Very good feature over here कि sir, suppose how do I get the notes, how do I get the replay? So when you'll go for the past session, see, so here you'll be seeing this past sessions. Here you can click on get notes, and when you will click on get notes, guys, over here you can see the notes, all right, and it will be present in the class in the teacher's handwriting, all right. ठीक है, देख लो यहाँ पे teacher's handwriting, you'll see I was writing very less because there was lot of slides on this. So this will be accurate, no mistake you are going to find out in these notes. Then you have the option of watching the replay as well. Now if you want, you can watch the replay like this, all right, and you can see over here doubts are solved continuously, है ना. And if you want to go for the interactive replay, just click over here on try alternate replay. So when you go for try alternate replay, over here you will see the master teacher, here you will see the options and everything. ठीक है guys, all right, sorry. Okay, chalo bhai, let's go for the question solving. Let us start with the question solving. The first question coming to your way is this: check which of the following are the solutions of equation 5x minus 4y equal to 20. What are the solutions? So guys, what I can say कि भाई 4, 0 and 0, 5 I need to check. So let us check it, right? Let's start checking it. So first one, x equal to 4, y equal to 0. Let us check what is LHS. LHS will be 5 into 4 minus 4 into 0. So which is 20 minus 0, which is equal to 20, and RHS is also equal to 20. So first one is a solution. All right, 4, 0 is a solution of the equation. Second, 0, 5, that means x equal to 0 and y equal to 5. So I can say, sir, 5 into 0 minus 4 into 5 is your LHS. So which will be equal to 0 minus 20, which means LHS is minus 20. And what is RHS? RHS is 20. So I can say LHS is not equal to RHS. So I can say 0, 5 is not a solution. ठीक है, it is not a solution. Simple thing. All right, guys. Okay, so simple. If it is solution, it must satisfy the equation. All right. Next, write 5 different solutions of this equation. Now we can try different solutions. So let's say, guys, if I'll start, I can choose any variable. Let's say I choose my first variable. Let's say I start with the value of x equal to 0. Then what will be y? So 2 into 0 is 0, minus 3y is equal to 6. Shift minus 3 in division, y is equal to minus 2. This is one solution. Second, I can take the value of y as 0. If I take y as 0, what will be x? So x will be 2x minus 3 into 0 is 0 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. X equal to 3 is another solution, right? We can move ahead and we can take, let's say, कि sir, if you want any integer values only, try to see those values where we get integer answer, otherwise even fractional answer is fine. ठीक है, let's say I start with now y is equal to 1. So 2x minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 is equal to 6. Shift minus 3 over that, 2x is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So x is equal to 9 by 2, or we can say it is 4.5. So this is the third solution. X is equal to 4.5, y is equal to 1. Fourth solution, I can take x as minus 1. Let's take x as minus 1. Let's take y as minus 1. Because coefficient of x is 2 na. So it is easier to represent these numbers 4.5, 5.5 compared to 4.33 and है ना. So let's put y is equal to minus 1. So I'll get 2x minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 is equal to 6. So 2x, 6 minus 3 is again 3. X is equal to 3 by 2, which is 1.5. So this way I'll say x is equal to 1.5. Alright, same way you can go for x equal to 2, x equal to 3, anything you want to go for. Okay? So you can find out these way 5 different solutions. Alright बच्चों, ठीक है, चलो let's go for the next question. Next question easy है. All the questions are very easy. Trust me on this. So the cost of 5 pencils is equal to the cost of 2 ball points. Write a linear equation in 2 variable to represent this statement. Take the cost of a pencil to be rupees x and cost of a ballpoint pen to be a rupees y. ठीक है. So cost of, guys, I can say is 1 pencil is given as rupees x and cost of 1 ballpoint pen, let's say pen only, is, let's say, rupees y. So they are saying cost of 5 pencil. Cost of 5 pencil will be 5 into x is equal to 2 ballpoint pens, so into 2 into y. So we have 5x is equal to 2y. That means 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is our equation. Simple. This is our equation. है ना? 5x minus 2y equal to 0. Alright. Acha, one more important thing, guys. Very important announcement that there are pro exclusive micro courses running on our Vedantus Pro courses. So if you are a student of pro courses, please don't forget to join coordinate geometry and similarity of triangles, which will be the topic for very important topics for your grade 10. So if you are a pro student, please don't miss out on joining this. And also, if you are, say, not a pro course student yet, so be quick so that you can enjoy all these important micro courses. ठीक है, चलो तो guys देखो, it has already started 5th July onwards. Please don't miss out on this. Mine will start from 8th of July. All right. So before that, join the courses quickly. Okay. So draw the graph of the equation y is equal to 3x. From your graph, find the value of y when x is equal to 2. So we have to draw the graph of y is equal to 3x. So let's find out some solution. Let's put what is x, then what is y. If I put x equal to 0, y is also 0. If I put x equal to 1, y is equal to 3. If I put x equal to 2, y is equal to 6. Three solutions I have got. Yes or no? 0, 0, 1, 3 and 2, 6. Alright, so let's say I'll draw the graph something like this. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0, 0 is over here. 1, 3 is over here. And 2, 6 is over here. All three are in a straight line. That means our solution is correct. So this will be the graph of y is equal to 3x. Now what is the value of y when x is equal to 2? When x is equal to 2, on the graph you can see y will be equal to 6. So at x equal to 2, y will be equal to 6. And by equation, put x equal to 2 in the equation, you will get y is equal to 6. So graph as well as the equation both will give you the same answer. ठीक है? Next question देखो guys. Draw the graph of the lines 2x plus y equal to 6 and 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Shade the region bounded by these two lines and the x-axis. Find the area of the shaded region. So first equation I have 2x plus y equal to 6. So let's get different solution for it. If I put x equal to 0 in this, guys, y will be equal to 6. And if I put y equal to 0 in this equation, x will be equal to 3. These are my two solutions, 0, 6 and 3, 0 for the first equation. For the second equation, I can say again two solutions I need to find out. The second equation 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. So if I put x equal to 0, minus y is equal to minus 2, you are getting y is equal to 2. And if I put y equal to 0, you will get x equal to minus 1. है ना? If I put y as equal to 0, what will be the value of x? 2x minus 0 is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to minus 2, so x is equal to minus 1 when y is equal to 0. So two solution I have got is 0, 2 and minus 1, 0. Alright, so guys, let us draw the graph. Let us draw a graph for this situation. Alright, so we'll draw a graph. And on this one graph only, we have to represent everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, देखो, the graph may not be accurate because I am doing rough work, but let me show you. So first point is 0, 6. Where will I get 0, 6? X coordinate 0, y coordinate 6. 0, 6 is over here. 0, 6. Second solution is 3, 0. X coordinate 3, y coordinate 0. 3, 0 is over here. Join both these points. like this. This is our first equation. Second equation, if I have to plot, guys, second equation, what are the 2 points we know? We have 0, 2. 0, 2 is over here. And 1 is minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0 is over here. Alright, let us draw this, join these two as well. Alright, so this is how it is going to look. I think they both will intersect somewhere 1, 4. Here I think they should intersect. Let's look at the graph. On the graph they are intersecting at 1, 4. Okay, this is a rough diagram. That is why it was difficult to show, but they are intersecting at 1, 4. Okay. Now they are asking, find the area of the shaded region. So guys, which is the shaded region which is bounded by the two lines and the x-axis? So if I see carefully, I can say between the two lines and the x-axis, this is the region I am getting. This is the region which we are getting between the two lines and the x-axis. Yes or no? Correct? So we have to find out area of this shaded region. We have to find out the area of this shaded region. Let's look at this shape. So it is a triangle. It is a triangle. Let's say a triangle A, B, C. So what is the length of this BC, guys? So देखो, here 0 to minus 1, 1 unit. Here 3 units. So total I can say this distance is 4 units. Similarly, this point on y-axis is 4 and this point is 0. So this perpendicular distance will also be 4 because this is a perpendicular, right? So I can say area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into base. I can take BC, which is 4, and height I can take, let's say this is a point D, AD, which is again 4, which is equal to 8 square units. So area enclosed between the both lines and the x-axis will be 8 square units. How easy it is, right? So it's, देखो, this questions, if it will come in your examination, definitely come for 4 or 5 marks, है ना? Main thing is, because this question is lengthy. It is only lengthy, it is not difficult at all, it is only lengthy. Calculations are easy, drawing graph is easy. Only thing is your time will be consuming, it will be time consuming, and that is why easy topic, more scoring marks you are getting. ठीक है बच्चों? Alright, next question देखो. 2 students contributed ₹100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation to satisfy the above data. Let's say student A donated X rupees. Donated rupees X and student B donated rupees Y. Total contribution is ₹100. So I can simply say X plus Y is equal to 100. Right, this is my equation. Now if I want to write the solution, when x is 0, y is equal to 100, and when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 100. If you want one more solution, when x is equal to 50, y is also equal to 50. ठीक है? So what you can do now, guys, you can draw a graph like this. Take the unit like 10 or 20, something like that. Suppose if I take 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 like that, and here also 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100, and join these two. This is 0, 100, 100, 0. ठीक है? The graph I'll show you over here clearly. देखो, this point will be 0, 100. This point is 100, 0, and here you have point 50, 50. So this will be the line which is representing this situation. Very easy yaar, this topic, though how can I tell it is how easy this topic is? You just have to go through once. Alright guys, so please don't take this session lightly, very important for all of you. So this is your homework question, guys. What does this homework question says? It says draw the graph for each of the equation x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2 on the same graph paper and find the coordinates of the point where the two straight lines intersect. So this is a graph question I'm telling you. You draw the graph and tell me at which point both the lines are intersecting. That's your homework. Okay guys, and all of you know where will you give me the answer? You'll give me the answer in the comment section. Alright guys, so remember, no substitute for hard work. Have to do the hard work. And this question, if comes in your examination, you just make sure you have secured 5 marks. Alright guys, so this is all in today's class. I have told you link for registration to Vedantu Pro subscription is mentioned in the description box. GPE Pro is your code which will give you 10% off the minimum price at which you will be getting these courses. And just don't think guys that you are paying all this price only for completing the syllabus once. No, you can complete your syllabus as many times as you want because there are unlimited micro courses and you can take unlimited classes. So it's up to you how much you want to study, that much you can, है ना? So the price per class is dependent upon you how many classes you want to take. All right, and also it gives you the guarantee of your improvement, so you can be very secure that if you will do your part of the work, your part of the hard work, we'll definitely are with you together in this journey and we will make sure you are improving. If you don't improve, take the whole course fee back. All right guys, so the batches are starting very soon. Please do not wait ki when the batch will start, only that day I will join. Start the batch, start taking the pro subscription now because there are many classes here. Micro courses are there. You can go for different teachers classes. So it's up to you that which teacher you want to interact more, है ना? Whenever you get time, you can take any teacher's class, teachers micro courses and interact with them. So that's a very good time which you will be getting right now, and then you can be comfortable with your long-term batches. So you can continue with the long-term batches and in between you can go for micro courses also. So all this opportunity you will be getting. ठीक है बच्चों? So guys, remember, please join the Vedantu Pro subscription. And yeah, I forgot to told you, but now I'm telling you now. Please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so thank you so much guys, and I hope all of you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye guys.